Hi everybody, it's Sheila. Welcome back to the Crochet Nurse channel. Today what we're going to do is announce the winner, and I'm going to show you the make for the Crochet exclamation point giveaway. As many of you are aware, and oh FYI, if you like this kind of content, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. As many of you are aware, a couple weeks ago, myself and Setta did a Sync It collaboration, and the collaboration was that we would both pick 4 different items out of Crochet exclamation point and share those items with you, and then have you guys kind of pick and decide which one we were going to make. So it was supposed to be announced a couple days ago, but we were still in the process of making the items, and so today's the day. So don't forget when you get done watching my video to see who the winners, plural, are. That's right, because there's going to be 2 winners. Watch my channel for the winners, and then don't forget to go over to Setta's place because she is announcing what she made, and she's going to share that with you, and she's going to announce her winners as well. All right, so let's get to it. So as you guys remember, there was 4 items that I chose. I chose the t-shirt, and we don't have to go through every one of them, but I chose the little hexagon shawl, a t-shirt, and there was the romance throw, and the kimono, and everybody did a great job guessing down below, and I had a wide variety of guesses. I thank you guys for all of that. But I was not able to use the random picker. I'll just share that out of the gate because some people put 1, 2, 3, 4, which was perfectly okay. And then other people put the actual names. And so what I had to do was actually put everything in a hat. No, I'll show you over here. And I'm going to draw from that. Okay. I think I captured all 4. The t-shirt, the romance throw blanket, and the shawl, that U-shaped shawl with that pretty design, and then the kimono. So I'll show you what I made. That's why I'm wearing this t-shirt, so you guys can get an idea of what I made. So let me grab it. So here's the color, and you might have already guessed what it is by now, right? What it is the kimono. Yep, that's what I decided to make, was the kimono. Probably a surprise to many of you because, as you guys know, I live in the South, but I did want to make this so in preparation for the fall. And so I went ahead and I made the kimono, and let me show you. Remember I said it's going to be winners, so even if you didn't guess kimono, you still have a chance to win, because one drawing is going to be for the person who guessed kimono, and then the second drawing is going to be for everybody. The ones who didn't guess kimono, they guess something else, it's going to be for everybody. So let me show you what it looks like. And I did follow the pattern. Pop it on here real quick. I did follow the pattern except for one modification. Let me stand up and push my chair back so you guys can get a sense of what it looks like. And it's that beautiful purple. Look at that. And just FYI, you guys know I typically will do a large. This is the small to medium. And I'm going to tell you I had to make a modification. The sleeve right here, you can see how long it is. It goes all the way down to here. It calls for rows 3 through 8, then 2 through 6, and another whole section of 3 through 8. I did not do that because the sleeve would have been all the way down to my wrist. And so I just did a 3 through 8 and a 2 through 6. And if you have the magazine, you'll know what I'm talking about. And then for lengthwise, you can see a small to medium works. And for lengthwise, I'll step back a little for you, probably not going to get it. For lengthwise, it comes down to almost my kneecaps. You see there's the back. And that turned out well. Yeah, and it's not hot. Remember when I first did the video, I was concerned that it was going to be too hot because it was a 4 weight. And as I shared, I was only going to do a solid color, and I lightened it up. it worked well. I've been wearing it and it works fine. So let's get on to the drawing. Okay, so what I will do is the first person, I put all of the items in here for everybody who guessed the kimono. And however they wrote it, I put everybody in here who guessed the kimono, and that person will be the brand winner, and I will send enough yarn to create this. This one really didn't use stitch markers, but I'll send, you know, the stuff that you need, the pattern, that kind of things for you to make it. So let's get to the person for this. And FYI, I just have to remind everybody, this is not affiliated with YouTube. This is just something I'm doing. So let's go. And I'm going to show it to you guys first. Okay, just like we've done before. All right. Flip it around so you got, and hopefully it's upside right. Is it upright? God Rocks 2107. God Rocks 2107. So that is the grand prize winner. So for you, God Rocks 2107, and I believe she's a YouTuber. So for you, make sure to contact me by, I'd say, Monday noonish, and give me your address and everything, and then I will send you the yarn. And I don't have enough purple to send you, so I'll send you a different color, but I'll give you enough of the yarn to make it, and pattern, print you up the pattern, and all those kinds of things. So congratulations, God Rocks 2017. Okay, now let's do our Setta drawing. So for this, let me put that aside so I make sure I get the right person contacting me. Okay, so for the Setta drawing, this is, I'm picking from everybody. I'm excluding the ones for that pick the kimono, so this is going to be for everybody. And in that one, I put it in my little thing that you guys see me do this way before, and I'm still going to print the pattern, and I'm still going to do the yarn for this as well. Okay, maybe not quite as much, but I'll still do the yarn and the pattern. You ready? All right, let's do the second one. Same thing. I'll show it to you first. Okay. All right, there we go. Hopefully it's upright. If not, I'll fix it. What does that say? Oh, just D. Okay, so that is the winner of the Setta. Okay, and so for Diane, contact me by Monday at noonish and give me your address, and so I can send you stuff. Okay, so the first place, we'll put them back up here again. These are the two folks that I need you to contact me, and so I can send you your prize. All right, guys, I found that it was a lot of fun. Let me put those aside. And if you didn't win this time, no matter. Another magazine will come out, and I'm sure Setta and I will be collaborating on something else, and we will do this again, because I'm having a great time doing this with you. All right, y'all, that's what I had to share with you today. I will chat with you next time.